Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. All right. Now, so in the series of Docker, we've already seen the differences between predefined and customized images, right? Predefined images are the images which were already developed, which were already written, developed, tested, and they are available on Docker Hub, right? All the images are available, and customized images are something like, you know, we will build our own image with the help of predefined image as a base. All right, meaning customized image. If I write customized image using base as predefined image, I write my instructions, meaning I can write the instructions of having our application here and then use this image so that our image can be deployed within a container where our base technology like Nginx is available with our you know application deployed, right? Maybe consider perseverance deployed. So now we are done, right? This is the one. All right, so just understand, we are there to run our softwares inside containers using the predefined image or base images or standard images. We can call any of these three. We should develop our customized image. All right, and thus customized image can be developed using a concept called as Dockerfile. This is very important core concept now. So in fact, let me tell you one thing, that nowadays we have Kubernetes as a tool, right? So what happens is, like, we have Kubernetes as a tool. Now what happens is, from Docker, if you ask what we are using, we are just utilizing Docker for writing Dockerfile, building Dockerfile, and availing that particular image which came out of a Dockerfile to Kubernetes. Then Kubernetes deploy the image. That's it. So from Docker, we are mainly utilizing only this particular functionality nowadays. All right. So this is very core. You will get to know what is that. So let me explain you what is Docker. So simply, to create your customized image, you need to write a Docker file. What is a Docker file? Docker file is simply a text file that contains series of instructions or commands for building a Docker image. You got it, right? So this image is our customized image. It's not a predefined image. Using predefined image, we'll write some instructions or commands in a simple text file, and by building that text file, we'll get a customized image out of it. Okay, fine. So I have detailed here. So think of it as a file that tells Docker how to set up an environment, install dependencies, and configuring everything needed to run an application inside the container. You got it, right? So we already have predefined images. So Docker file is nothing but a simple file with the different instructions. It's a simple text file with different instructions. Okay, fine. So what happens is, let me tell you now. So we take a file, we use some an image, a base image which is already available on Docker Hub. On top of it, we put all the required instructions which are uh, required basically to inject our application, or maybe to build our application in the sense our end application, right? So end software, online software within an image, right? Okay, let me brief you again. So Dockerfile is a simple text file where we use base images, on top of which we put on our customized requirements like copying our code or building our code, or deploying our artifact. Everything as such will be there in the image. And once we build this particular Docker file, we get an image. That image is nothing but our customized image as we discussed. All right. Superb. Fine, guys. So now what happens is, using this customized image, we deploy a container where we will be having our application actively running. All right. Fine. All right. Fine, guys. So you got to know what is a Docker file. We'll see other, steps in rest of the videos. Thank you.